Hello everyone, I am Brandon Mickelson, and this is part 2 of the Recovery Vehicle project. I posted a video earlier about the project. Basically, we're just sending up a bunch of Raspberry Pis running computer vision algorithms on some small balloons to search for our high-altitude balloon payload that we lost out in the desert. The idea is that it's going to be able to detect the blue color of our parachute, and then we'll be able to find it. Now, what I had done the last time was basically just blue detection and also being able to draw red contours around the blue colors that it found. I've changed that up since then to now draw boxes around the blue colors that it found, just to make sure that it's a little bit easier for us as users to see. And I have also added in a Gaussian blur to just kind of filter out any noise in the image. And I can save the video capture to a .avi file, so that way we can review it after we bring the vehicle back down. And I also have a web interface set up using Flask with Python. So I'll go ahead and show you guys right here. This is just indicating that my web interface is running. So that's going pretty good. Just showing that everything's running, giving me the address that it's on. Any requests, HTTP requests that we get. Of course, there's my camera, and it's running right now. And if I go over here to my laptop, you can see that I have the video stream running. And it's a live video stream, so if I take and I move this little screwdriver with a blue handle in front of the image, you can see that it draws a nice red box around that blue handle. So yeah, that's what I have done so far. Now if I'm gonna go ahead and stop running this real quick. Do Control C. You can see that it just kind of stops the application. It doesn't do a clean shutdown. But if I go into the folder where I have, well actually, if I go into my home Pi folder, I should have a video set up, little AVI video right here for detecting blue. Now if I bring that up, here we go. And there is our video feed. And it's just going through and showing me I went to go close the door, I sat down, I got the camera all set up and ready to display. But you can see that as I'm walking, it's doing detection on the blue colors. I'm going to have to change my filter a little bit because it is detecting some blue colors where there should not be blue colors. I think it has to do with the lighting in the room. But anyway, so that's basically what I have done so far. The next step is going to be adding in the motor control interface, so being able to control our two cordless motors that we're going to be using for direction control on our little blimps. So adding a way to control that to our code, and then also being able to add the controls to the web interface, so that way we can have a live update, also be able to control our motors while we're connected to the Raspberry Pi. And then after that, it'll be just setting up the Raspberry Pi as its own network. So it's going to be broadcasting its own network. And from there, it'll be pretty simple to do the rest of it. So yeah, thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.